Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quantsapp. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 17,945 is where we shut shop on Nifty 50 futures, 0.81% up. 41,703 Nifty Bank futures, 0.78% gains. Close to 322 points gains were witnessed in Nifty Bank. So where is the SGX Nifty pointing to this morning? It's pointing to an 83-point cut. So let's see where the NSE Nifty futures open up. Looks like there is a bout of weakness which is prevalent in the markets as of now. Looking at the charts, we see 18,000 as the immediate resistance point, 18,200 and 200, 210, and 18,500. Major supports being 17,500 and 17,200. Looking at the open interest picture of the futures, you're seeing short covering kind of a situation. So it looks like there is going to be pressure on this counter as we move. 17,800 happens to be a strong put OI, and followed by 700. On the resistance front, we are seeing some amount of call unwinding also, and 18,000 happens to be a stiff point, and followed by 18,200. These are the two major levels for calls as such. Looking at Bank Nifty, 42,251 and 43,072 are the resistance points. 41,039,718 are the two supports. 41,039,718 are the two supports. Well, unless and until doesn't cross 43,000 and sustains above that, getting a positive jolt in Bank Nifty seems limited. So for bulls to come in full swing, I think 43,000 needs to be conquered. Looking at the futures OI, we are seeing short covering coming in. So there's been intermittent longs also. So it's kind of a mixed bag situation. इतना क्लियर नहीं है कि भाई बैंक निफ्टी क्या करेगा. And major call OI है 41,500. That's on the lower side you're seeing, and put OI is at 41,500 and 41,000. There has been an unwinding at 41,500 call, as we mentioned a little while ago. 42,000 is the strike, which is going to be a hurdle with respect to calls, as we see call OI out there, and then 43,000. Top gainers and losers, UPL, ITC, City Union Bank. Top losers, Navin Flooring, Honeywell Automation, India Bull Housing Finance. Well, looking at the index contribution, oil, private banks, IT supported the Nifty, and FMCG also to a certain degree. These are the sectors which supported the Nifty as such. So you have 40 points, close to 40 points positive contribution from oil, 38 points positive contribution from private banks, 26 points positive contribution from IT. Looking at the sectoral built up, you're seeing Nifty stocks, fertilizer, FMCG on the long side, realty, auto ancillary, cement on the short side. February 15th, no major results on the annual as far as FNO stocks are concerned. The upcoming result is of Nestle India. So that's going to be on 16th February. Well, one of the stocks on the radar is CUB, City Union Bank, has shown signs of pull up, but pressure mein hai, counter bear pressure mein. 132.85 is a major support zone. तो 130 के ब्रेकडाउन पर अगर देखें तो इसकी क्षमता है 120 तक जाने की. 130 breaks, there's a possibility of 120 on the radar. और रेजिस्टेंस जो है वो है 150 and 162.20. City Union Bank, you see a substantial short coming in, and then you're seeing some bout of short covering which happened. Looking at the call picture, you're seeing some unwinding in the calls. 140 is the call, strike call, which is unwound. Then you have 145, and then 150 is the litmus test for this counter on the higher side. So that's going to be the resistance point, and 160 again. On the lower side, you have puts, which are built up at close to 135 levels and 130 levels. The other stock on the radar is Godrej Properties. Major support zone 1134 and 1100. On the resistance front, 1221 and 1262. तो अभी देखा जाए तो बेयर प्रेशर में है ये भी. अगर 1130 तोड़ता है तो इसका प्रेशर, बेयर प्रेशर बढ़ सकता है. So bears can be more active in this counter. You're seeing some mild positive divergence जो अगर फेल हुआ तो उसमें गिरावट की और संभावना है. Godrej Properties, you're seeing a short coming in, substantial short which has come in, and on an overall basis has been in a short covering cycle, except for one long unwinding and one long which has come in intermittently. So 1200 happens to be substantial call OI, and 1300 is the next major level. And of course, you have intermittent call OIs at 1250 also. Puts, major put level is 1100. Securities in the ban list: India Bull Housing Finance, BHEL, PNB, Ambuja Cement. Before I wrap up the session, I would like to highlight to you, please follow strict stop losses while trading in derivatives. Also, before starting trading in derivatives, please consult your financial advisor. So we already discussed about Nifty, Bank Nifty levels, sectoral long built-up Nifty stocks, fertilizer, FMCG. Short built-up is DLT, auto ancillary, cement. The two stocks discussed with the bear pressure, CUB, City Union Bank, Godrej Properties. 1130 happens to be the major support for Godrej Properties, and 130 thereabouts for City Union Bank. Banalist, Ambuja Cement, India Bull Housing Finance, BHEL, PNB. Well, that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.